This is a substitution question, and we start off by writing 6x equals. Now 6x means 6 times x, so we have an invisible times sign here. We now have 6 times x, and x equals 5. This gives us 30. This is the answer. When showing working out, we always set it out like this. Now here's one for you to try. Please remember though that when you multiply a plus by a minus, the answer will always be a minus. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So 10x equals, we have an invisible times sign here, so we have 10 times x, and x is minus 7. 10 times minus 7 is minus 70. This is the answer. Here's another question for you to try. Remember, x squared means x times x. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. X squared equals 3 squared, which is 3 times 3. The answer is 9. Some of you might have written this, which is just as good. X squared equals x times x. We know that x is 3, so this is 3 times 3, and the answer is 9. Here's another one for you to try. Be very careful with the minus signs. Remember, a minus times a minus is a plus. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. X squared equals minus 6 squared. We put the brackets in because it's the minus 6 which is squared. So we now have minus 6 times minus 6, which is plus 36. This is the answer. In some ways, this is a harder question. I start as before by writing it out. 7 plus 3x. I have an invisible times sign in between the 3 and the x. So this is 7 plus 3 times x, which is 2. Now, if I was to do the question the way it's written, 7 plus 3 times 2, that would give me the wrong answer. To get the right answer, I need to use BODMAS. We have no brackets, no other things like squares and square roots, no division. The first thing we've got is a multiplication. So I have 7 plus 6. This now gives me 13. This is the answer. This is one for you to try. Please be careful with the minus sign. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. We have 1 plus 2x, which has an invisible times sign here. So that's 1 plus 2 times x, which is now minus 3. Looking at BODMAS, we have no brackets, no other things, and no division. So we start with the multiplication. This gives me 1 plus 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This is the answer. Here's another one for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. We have 2x plus 5y. There's an invisible times sign here and another one here. So this is 2 times x, which is 4, plus 5 times y, which is 2. Now looking at BODMAS. There's no brackets, no other things, no division. So the first thing is multiplication, and there are 2 of those. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 5 times 2, which is 10. So the answer is 18. This question is harder than it looks. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. If you got the answer 100, I'm sorry, but it's wrong. To get the right answer, we need to use BODMAS, like this. 2x squared has an invisible times sign here, so it's 2 times x, which is 5, squared. So, have we got any brackets? No. Have we got any other things? Yes, we've got this 5 squared, so we do that first. 2 times 5 squared is 25. We now have 2 times 25, so the answer is 50. Here's another for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it, being careful of the minus. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Again, we have 2x squared with an invisible times sign. So it's 2 times minus 3, which I put in brackets, squared. Have I got any brackets? Yes, but there isn't a sum inside it, so it's just minus 3. Have I got any other things? Yes, there's a squared. So I do this part first. 2 times minus 3 squared is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Just out of interest, if you put this into a calculator like this with the brackets, you will get the right answer of 18. If you do it like this, without the brackets, most calculators will give you the wrong answer. This is why when we're squaring numbers, if they're negative, we put them in brackets. I now have several practice questions for you to try. Here's the first one. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. Here are your next 2 questions. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. These are your last questions. They're a combination of everything you've learnt. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.